Video, I want to take you through on how to calculate your grade points, because as a first year student, when you see the courses, you see the units that they have, how do you make use of these units? Before we do that, let's first of all talk about the codes. When you see the code, the first one there stands for the year or the level that you are in. So if you are in 100 level, or if you are in year 1, all the courses you are offering will start with 1, 1, 1. So the last one there talks about the semester that you are in. If you are in first semester, it will end with odd numbers. If you are in second semester, it will end in even numbers. So as long as you are in first semester, it will be ending with 1 or 3 or 5 or 7, as the case may be. Once you get into second semester, you'll be getting 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on. When you see the middle number 0, it means that the course you're about to study is a foundational. You are looking about the rudiments, the foundations in that course. In chemistry department, 4 means practicals, then this foundational. In biology, middle means practical, the foundational, practical, foundational, and foundational. So let's move straight. When you have your result, or let's say a student after writing an exam got this kind of result, let's say the grade points, let's explain. If you make an A, that A is 5 points, and B is 4 points, C is 3 points, D is 2 points, E is 1 point, and F is 0 point. So let's take, for example, a student after writing an exam made for this course A, let's say this one B, let's say this one A, let's say this one A, let's say this one maybe C, let's say this one maybe D, let's say this one B, let's say this one let's say okay E, we've not given E, let's say another person that is not the person watching me now is the one that owns this one, then another person, the person watching me owns this one. So let's see how you can calculate with this, using this. For the fact that the person made an A here, A is 5 points, so you multiply it with the units. So we say 5 times 3, which will give us 15. So 15 points is what this person made. Here now, B is 4 points, so we say 4 times 1, because it's a 1 unit, so which is 4. Here is A, 5 points, 5 times the unit, so 15. Here is A, 5 points times the unit. Here is 3 points times the unit. Here is D, 2 points times the unit. Here is 4 points times the unit. Here is 1 point times the unit. Here is 0 point times the unit. Here is 5 points times the units. So what you will now do is to add all the points. If you add all of this, you're going to get 74. So this is the total points for that semester. The person will now divide it with the total number of units. 74 divided by 21, which is going to be about 3.5. 3.52. Now, what's the meaning of this? If a student makes 0.00, that is fail. If a student makes between 1.00 to 1.49, that is ordinary pass. That's pass. Thank you for coming. That's what the university will tell you. You came, you saw, but you were conquered. Then if the student makes something like 1.50, which is still not good enough, to 2.39, between that range, that student made third class. If a student makes between 2.40 to 3.49, that is second class. But this is lower division, what we call 2-1. If a student now makes between 3.50 to 4.49, that student has made second class, but upper division, what we call 2-1. Upper division 2-1. If the student now makes between 4.50 to 5.00, that is first class. For you to make 5.0 means the whole courses you did, you made all of them A's. So somebody may now ask, well, how do I know that I made an A? How do I know that I made B or C or D as the rest? If somebody makes, okay, let's start from here. If somebody makes between 0 to 34, that person made an F. If somebody makes between 35 to 39, that person made an E. If another person, that person makes between 40 to 49, that person made a D. If that person made between 50 to 60, that person made a C. If that person, sorry, 59, if that person makes between 60 to 69, that's a B. If that person makes 70 to 100, that's an A. So please like my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel so you can get more tips. Thank you.